back to Guga Food, guys. Angel just gave me a call and he said, Guga, can you make me some steaks? I said, you better believe it. So I'm gonna cook up some steaks for both of us. But I wanna do a test. Which one is better? Regular butter or clarified butter? I have no idea, but we're gonna find out. Let's do it. In order for us to find out which one is better, clarified butter or regular butter, we must make clarified butter first. And here's how. And that is how you make clarified butter. Just make sure not to drop half of it like me. For today's cook, I'm using these two beautiful prime New York strip. I'm going to be seasoning them with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And I'm going to cook them up on the Kamado Joe. So let's do it. They look fantastic and we are ready to give it a go. Are you ready, Angel?
Oh, hell yeah.
Angel, today we have steak number A and steak number B, as Ninja say it. Which one looks better to you?
They look good. They both look good.
They both look good? They both look pretty similar, right?
Yeah.
Alright, no more talking and let's find out. We're doing a little experiment today, Angel. So let me know. Let's go for this one first. Go for it. That's some good steak.
That's some good steak. It's got the saltiness.
It's so good, isn't it?
It's awesome. It's just awesome, man.
It's fantastic. Tastes incredible. All right, let's go for the next one, Angel. Let's go.
Don't mind if I do.
What's happening here, Angel?
This one's juicy, man.
This one's fantastic.
This one's really good.
So, Angel, we got steak A and B, my good friend. We have to pick one, even though they're very similar. Do you agree?
Yeah, they're pretty similar. They're close in taste.
I agree. They're very similar to each other. But hear me out on the crust. Check it out. Here, this one. So there's no comparison there. The regular butter, which is this one here, produces a better crust. The clarified butter doesn't burn as fast, so that's why the crust is not so crunchy. Now, in regards to flavor, I would say that they're pretty similar. It could be that this steak's a little bit better than this steak, but it's very similar. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Now, go ahead. You're gonna say something. Go. But you like this one. I know you like this one. Angel liked the clarified butter. He wants me to be very clear on that. Do you agree?
It's good. It's better.
Okay, the clarified butter is better. But if you don't have time and you can't do it,
then make time.
No, just use the regular butter. It's gonna work fine. But the clarified butter is better. Agreed?
Oh yeah.
Now we can agree.
Now we can agree on that.
Got it. And another good thing about clarified butter is that you can sear multiple steak. By the time you finish with the first steak, it's gone. You got to replace and put another one. So that's another good point as well. So I would say, guys, the champion today is just use that clarified butter if you have time. And if you don't have time, use the other butter. It's going to be just great anyway. Agree?
Disagree. You make time.
You make time.
You make the clarified butter.
You make time and you make that clarified butter sous vide. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to subscribe for future videos. And remember, if you're interested in anything I use, everything is on the description down below. Thank you so much, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. We are out.